Emasculation. It is, without a doubt, almost sinister, but, or if one is willingly, but the idea of if one leaves their son too long alone, the way his mother acts, thinks, do in the feminine matter, then the son will copy the exact, not everything, but traits as well. And it will be normal for him. The woman would think, the mother would think, very generous, but man should not have easy lives. Not saying a brutal torture life, but disciplined. No doubt all his friends will view him as so and so. If his father came back, he would think that's not his son, metaphorically, and the continuation will leave him down up to his choice, whether which one, and the influence that it has. That is why men should be masculine and women feminine, traditional. One cannot be the other. Never 100% what to take from this. Parents should stick and also keep their actions, because even the tiniest thing, wouldn't think to notice that it would put into their attributes. So men, don't run off. If divorce, the woman's gone insane, then be there for him. Kinda almost puts into balance. One side should be masculinity, the other side femininity. Keep it balanced. And that's why men and women need each other. I hope you've learned something from this. Take care. God bless.